the most professional way to do logging in Python. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of Python logging. Logging is a crucial aspect of software development. It allows us to track and record important information about our program's execution, making it easier to debug issues, monitor performance, and maintain our codebase. Python comes with a built-in module called logging that makes it easy to implement professional-grade logging in your applications. Let's start by creating a logger instance. This logger will be used to record messages at different levels of severity. To configure our logger, we can set the logging level, create a formatter, and add one or more handlers. The logging levels range from debug, most detailed, to critical, most severe. You can set the level to control which messages are recorded. A formatter specifies how log messages should be formatted before they are written to a file or displayed on the console. You can also configure a file handler to write log messages to a file. Additionally, you can create a console handler to display log messages in the console. Now that we've created our handlers, let's add them to our logger. With our logger configured, we can now log messages at different levels of severity. And there you have it. You've learned how to set up professional logging in Python using the logging module. Logging is an essential tool for any Python developer, and with the techniques demonstrated in this video, you'll be well equipped to handle logging in your projects.